The cement industry is huge and absolutely essential, and its need is growing every day globally as the infrastructure services expand. It is a trusted and time tested building material. Cement is a binder that makes concrete. And you might be surprised to know that concrete is the second most used commodity after water, but it generates carbon dioxide 4 times more than planes. Also, the traditional cement making requires extremely hot kilns that also by-produce an extremely large amount of colorless and odorless carbon dioxide that contributes in warming the planet. 40 leading manufacturers of cement and concrete have pledged to reduce such emissions by 25% by 2030 and aim to achieve net zero concrete by 2050. I hope they are able to find sustainable solutions and I wish them success.